Hey everyone, and welcome to ChineseSkill Unit 6. In this unit, we're going to talk a little more about numbers. Picking up where we left off last time at 1 through 4, we're going to finish counting up to 10, then learn all the way up to 99. And it's super easy. I want to mention before we get started here that in this video we're going to be covering a lot of content, and there may just be a little surprise for you at the end, so you're definitely going to want to stick around for that. In Unit 5 we covered the numbers 1 through 4, so let's pick up where we left off. The numbers 5 through 10 in Chinese are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I also want to mention the word for 0 in Chinese is 零, 零. So let's do a little practice here with some easy room numbers. I'll say them slowly, then try to repeat after me. 204, 204, 204, 204, 359, 359, 359, 608 D 608 D 608 D 608 D. Great job! In Chinese, numbers have all sorts of meanings and uses. When choosing a cell phone number or plates for their car, Chinese people will actually avoid numbers that have negative meanings, like 2 and 4. Whereas numbers like 6, 8, and 9 are more sought after and commonly used. Actually, earlier this year, I came across a grocery store in Los Angeles called Dragon 99. In Chinese, 99 means for a very long time and sounds just like the pronunciation for the number 9, 9. A friend of mine told me they believe these numbers will bring stability and longevity to their business. So Dragon 99, 99, literally dragon for a very long time. Super cool. In Chinese, when reading a number, like a phone number or a room number, the pronunciation for the number 1 changes from yi to yao. Yi sounds very similar to the number 7, qi. So to avoid any confusion, when reading a string of digits in a number, the pronunciation of number 1 is yao. For example, a few well-known emergency phone numbers in China. 110. This is the direct line to the police. 110, 110, 110, 110. Next, 119 is for reporting fires. 119, 119, 119. 120 is for direct medical assistance and rescue. 120, 120. And lastly, we have 122, which is the traffic accident hotline. 122, 122. Now that we know the numbers 0 through 10, we actually have everything we need to count all the way up to 99. Numbers 11 through 19 are formed by the following structure. 10 plus a number 1 through 9. For example, 11, 11, 11. 12, 12. Can you guess what 13 would be? 10 plus the number for 3. 13, 13. Good. How about 14? 14, 14. And 19? 19. 19. Great job. Now let's look at numbers like 20, 30, 40, all the way up to 90. To form these numbers, we use the following structure. A number 2 through 9 plus 10. For example, 20. 20. 20. And 30. 30. 30. So can you try to say 40? 40. 40. And how about 90? 90. 90. The last structure we're going to learn is for the rest of the numbers, like 21 through 29, 31 through 39, and so on. Once again, it's really simple. A number 2 through 9 plus 10 plus another number 1 through 9. So if we wanted to say 21, it would be 21. 21. 21. 35. 35. 35. I want you to take a moment here and look at the following three numbers. Think about how you would say them based on everything that we just learned. 47, 66, and 89. 47 is 47. 47. 47. 66 is 66. 66. 66. 89 is 89. 89. 89. Did you get those right? I hope so. Now that we can count up to 99, we know enough to talk about how old we are and inquire about the ages of others. So let's start here by learning a few ways to ask the question, how old are you? Because when asking about someone's age in Chinese, depending on who you're talking to, there's actually a few different ways we have to phrase this question. For example, with children under the age of 10, we use 几岁, 几岁. But with friends and coworkers around our own age, we use 多大, 多大. So when asking the age of a young child, we can say something like 他的儿子几岁? 他的儿子几岁? How old is his son? But if you're asking about someone's older brother who may be high school or college age, you could say 你哥哥多大? 你哥哥多大? How old is your older brother? 他多大? 他多大? How old is he? When asking about the ages of seniors, we should use the following phrase. 多大年纪? 多大年纪? For example, 你外婆多大年纪? 你外婆多大年纪? How old is your grandmother? Here we are combining 多大 and the noun for age, 年纪. 多大年纪? 他多大年纪? How old is he? To say someone's age, we use the following structure. The subject plus a number plus 岁. For example, 我弟弟8岁. My little brother is 8 years old. 我弟弟8岁. 我哥哥19岁. 我哥哥19岁. My older brother is 19. Speaking of family members, let's talk about how to inquire about the size of someone's family. We can say, 你家有几个人? 你家有几个人? How many people are there in your family? To answer this question, we can say something like, 我家有6个人. 我家有6个人. My family has 6 people. there are 6 people in my family. When asking questions like how many or how much in regards to quantity, we can use the word 几. Like when asking young children about their age, we use 几岁,几岁. And for asking the size of families, we use 几个人,几个人 for how many people. So I had mentioned in the beginning that there may be a surprise here at the end, so I wanted to use the content we learned in this video to let you all get to know me a little bit better. So if you asked me, Kyle, 你多大? I would have to say, 我32岁. 我32岁. I'm 32. That's all I had for you in this video lesson. I know that was a lot to digest, but the Chinese language is very profound, and everything we're learning in these earlier units is going to serve as the foundation and set us up on the best possible path to learn Chinese as efficiently and as simple as possible. Bye bye.